Hi everyone, it's Asad here from Car Code. We are back with another video showing another iDrive reboot issue. This is a F20 BMW, so it's a 1 Series. It has the connected drive entry nav. It's restarting about every 30 seconds. Very common problem. You're probably on this video because you have a similar problem. Now, the best way and most permanent way to resolve this issue, if you're facing the same thing you're seeing on the screen in front of us, is to program your head unit in the right way. Now, we are using dealer level tools to plug into vehicles and get connected up. Once we've done that, we take a reading of the actual head unit, make sure everything's okay, there's no internal physical damage, and then from there we proceed to flash the head unit. At the same time, we provide an update for the whole car, not just the head unit, so we don't charge any extra for that. It's a full vehicle update. Once the update is completed, it should resolve your issue. Now, we are a London-based service. We cover the immediate area of Northwest London. Anywhere outside of that, you can come down to us and we can carry out this work for you. So as you've seen a few times now, it's restarted. Let me show you after the programming what it's going to look like. When we are programming, we have to make sure we have a battery support unit attached. Now, I use the Sealy 12 volt 100 amp battery support unit and charger. Been using this for just over a year. It's never let me down. Very great in size, it's portable. We can keep the voltage at whatever we choose, up to 14.2 volts. Programming voltage is normally around that 14 volt mark anyway, and it stays consistent. There are a few people that use battery chargers rather than support units. The reason I don't like using a charger is because voltage fluctuates. So voltage can go up, it can go down, and it can cause potential errors during the programming phase, especially if the battery gets overcharged or undercharged. So that's connected up there. I've got our laptop charger in as well. Like I said, the procedure takes about 45 minutes and we're good to go. So this is the F20. Now, this problem, you might have a 1 Series, a 2 Series, a 3 Series, a 4 Series, even a 5 Series, an X1 as well. So that's a F20, F22, F30, F32, F2X, F3X, the F4X as well. Yeah, all of these cars can suffer from this issue. So it's pretty much a similar fix every time, but just get in contact with us. Our details are in the description down below, and a link to our website, which also hosts the service to book yourself in with us. So as you can see, the bootloader screen is on. Head unit's being flashed, loaded with new data, the latest data, and that should take about another half an hour, we're 15 minutes in already. Okay guys, we've just finished up. So this is a fixed iDrive now. This connected drive entry nav is now fixed. There was no more iDrive reboot issue. We've programmed it to the latest firmware as well as every other module in the vehicle. I'm going to leave this recording on this screen just to show you that it's not going to go off as it was going off before. Then once we've disconnected everything, I'm going to have a quick look and make sure everything's okay, make sure the owner of the vehicle is happy, and we'll be on our way. Once again, if you have this issue, use our contact details in the description below and we can help you out.